Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you an overview of how to use the LSP Art Painterly mini Photoshop action on your images. You can find installation instructions for Photoshop Actions on the LSP Actions website under Video Tutorials. As a rule, the best way to get actions in is to have Photoshop open, access your Downloads folder, and you can drag and drop the actions into Photoshop or double click. If you get anything coming up asking you which program to open in, choose Photoshop. There's other ways to get your actions into. If you visit the LSP Actions website, this will show you how. This Photoshop action is for Creative Cloud only because it uses all of the big Photoshop Creative Cloud features. This will have error messages if you try and use it in Elements or an old version of Photoshop. To view your actions, come up to Window and choose Actions. You'll get your panel pop up. It might be up here, it might be somewhere else. I like to have mine free floating. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the Art Painterly mini Photoshop action. You can click on the action, it has a little play button, and hit play. And this will just play out over your image. For best results, have your layers panel open. Let me just shrink this down a little bit. So here we have our layers. If you can't see your layers, you can come up to Window and choose Layers. You have a group, the Art Painterly group. Inside you have the Art Painterly base. You can slide the opacity. You have dark background. You have paint to contrast, paint to tone, and a vignette. You can turn this whole group on or off to see your before and after. The layer masks are like Lotto scratch card. White means show, black means hide. You can switch to a black or a white brush to show and hide even more on each one of these. You can also click each one and slide the opacity up. For example, on the Art Painterly base, I've slid the opacity up. Dark background is darkening in. This uses Photoshop's select technology. You can see here it's not made the best selection, so what you might want to do is just grab your brush and paint on for a moment. It really depends on your image how well Photoshop decides what's in the scene. But it just takes a moment. If you paint to contrast, you can turn this on or off. You can slide the opacity. Your painterly tone, again, you can slide the opacity here if you wanted to. And your vignette, that's a dark edge, you can turn it on or off. So let's see our before and after. We zoom in a little bit here. We'll see before and after on the skin too. Really, really pretty. Let's try it with another image. Beautiful image here by Charlie at Click Props. I'm just going to hit play on the action. A really cool thing you can do with these is you can batch it over all open images. Let's see our before and after. I'm zooming in on the skin. You can see it's done a really nice hallmark kind of fine art painterly edit there. Let's grab another image here. Beautiful image here by Anna Brandt. These also are floral overlays. Before and after. Instant fine art result. Really, really pretty. So I hope you enjoy using these. You can use them on all types of images, even outdoor. Let's just hit play on this one. Can you see that? Before and after. It gives a really deep fine art. I'm going to hit play. It's just taking a moment to play out. And it leaves you in complete control. You can change everything here. It does not affect your original background layer. So I hope you enjoy playing with these. I'm just going to play it here. This is an image I had open. I was recording a tutorial for adding butterfly overlays. You can also have a look on the LSP Actions website for those. Before and after. And you can paint this off any areas of your image you don't want it to show. Play with the opacity, you can play with everything. A really beautiful fine art finish. I hope you enjoy playing with these. You can visit the LSP Actions website for our full fine art collections. This is just one action, our fine art portrait, studio, sentimental storyteller, everything. It has everything included that you need. So enjoy using these. Please post your results in the LSP Actions Facebook group because I would really love to see what you're doing. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.